to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the channel. Also, click the post notification bell. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. Current subscribers, welcome back. And if you have been on this channel before, welcome back. So today we are making a chicken, broccoli, and rice casserole. So I just have 2 boneless chicken breasts that I'm about to season. So this is just a chicken spice rub that I'm going to use. I did put a little bit of olive oil on these chicken breasts. And then this is Kinder's blend. It's a garlic, salt, and pepper. Hopefully you all are having a fabulous Monday. I know you all are used to me uploading a video on Mondays, but I worked yesterday. I was extremely tired. This is just a meat and veggie all-purpose seasoning. So, I ordered KFC last night, and I was like, you know what, I'll do this today. So I went to the store and got everything I needed, and so here we are. So I'm just gonna season the other side. Okay. So now that I've seasoned this, I'm gonna go ahead and oil. This is a cast iron grill pan. I'm gonna go ahead and oil this, and then heat it up, and then put the meat on there. So I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So let's see. So I'm gonna let these cook maybe about 5 minutes on each side, and then I will flip it. So I'll come back once I actually get ready to flip it, but I'm gonna let this cook. I did just turn it down some, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So let's go. Flip it over. So I'm gonna let them cook on the other side maybe about 5 minutes. And then I'll be back. So I'll see you all in just a few. Okay guys, I'm back. So I did cut it up while I was gone. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit more, probably for just like about another 3 or 4 minutes, because the breasts were a little bit on the thick side, so I wanted to make sure that the meat cooked thoroughly. My rice is cooking right now, so once the rice gets done, I'll be able to mix everything up. But yeah, so I'll be back after I turn this off, and the rice is actually done. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm about to remove this meat. My rice is done. I did steam some broccoli. So now all I have to do is mix everything together. I think I probably should have used just one chicken breast instead of two. But it's okay. Just means it's gonna have plenty of meat in this casserole. I did buy some Hawaiian rolls, so that's the bread of choice. I'm gonna remove this so I can put my baking dish up here. So give me just a moment and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I did put 3 tablespoons of butter in here. I opened up a pack of Velveeta cheese sauce. Now I'm just gonna add my chunks of chicken. Maybe I'll just add that and let's see how that does. I'm gonna add some more cheese to it as well, and sour cream and a little bit of milk. Give me just a second. As y'all know, I'm not a big measuring person. I kind of like eye stuff. I am about to add some sour cream and a little bit of milk. So let me get the milk and the sour cream, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I did add about 3/4 of a cup of sour cream and a 1/2 cup of milk. Now I'm gonna add some cheese on top. I'm gonna stick this in the oven for approximately about 20 minutes, or until this cheese has melted and it's bubbly. After that, I will be putting some Ritz Crackers in my processor with some butter to put on top of it. But I'll be back to show you the finishing product. Okay guys, so I already melted the butter that I'm gonna pour into the Ritz Crackers that I crushed. So let me get stirring it up. So now I'm just gonna put this on the top. So I'm gonna spread this on the top and then put it back in the oven for an additional 10 minutes. And then I will come back with the finishing product. So I will see you all in a bit. Y'all, we're back. So here is my end result. So let's see. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh, child, you see that cheesiness. So let's taste. Cheesy, baby. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. This is good. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. So you guys, I hope you like this video. If so, please leave your girl a like, leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And until the next video, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.